na may hapon o maayong hapon na ninyong tanan o may hapon ma'am
In what way Hope House help you? Unsay natabang sa Hope House nimo?
ang natabang nila na nako na sa atong Pedro nabi ko
So she is very thankful of Hope House, and also she wants to greet hi to Ma'am Karen Rowan. And also, she just want to say thank you to Hope House because way back on Feb 14, she was admitted at the hospital, and Hope House helped her buy her medicines and also the hospital bills.
Okay. Unsa ba jud?
na nagaan ako palakalit ng tambal o nakapalit ko atong tambal nga dako ayo nga yellow o color ganin mga itong sa ako itong kabukugan itong yellow man ang color mo itong nakakuan akong sakit dili sakit ka karon nili sakit kasing-kasing
So also Hope House is giving her
Medicine.
vitamins
For his bone.
for her bone, and the pain now is relief.
Ayan nga. Kita akong isilpil.
About sa Ginoo, sa Bible.
Daghan kayong salamat sa atong
Mga luwas Ginoo.
nitabang nako o nagpasalamat ako salamat ako sa nitabang nako
So she's very thankful to God because God helped her, and also she just want to say thank you for those people who helped her.
salamat sa Hope House o salamat sa Ginoo nga iya kong tabangan. Bye-bye.